Today is a very special day because this is my first vlog. Aray. So now, it's time. It's time sa Hi guys! Welcome to my channel and welcome to my mini closet. Yes, and today is a very special day because I'm happy to be sharing with you one of the things that makes me happy, makes us happy, syempre, ang unboxing! Yay! So this came today and I'm so happy. That's why I want to share sa inyo kung ano ang nasa loob nito. But first things first, dahil mag-unbox tayo ngayon, share ko na din yung mga shoes na madalas kong gamitin. So, we'll start with this. This is one of my new purchase. I bought this using my Leica Gems. Wow! So, yan. Download lang kayo ng Leica app and you will gain gems at pwedeng ipangbili yun ng mga stuff. Binibili ko yung shoes because gusto ko yung style, gusto ko yung color. And also, this print. Yan, this detail, nagustuhan ko. That's why I bought this one. And, di ba pag nakita niyo siya, parang candy color. So, malamig lang siya sa mata. It's so young. So happy. Next, moving on, is this one. Ito naman, I bought this because of the bling bling. Yan. And yung mga gold ng details. It's so simple lang. It's not too bright. It's maroon and black. But I love this because it's high cut. Nakita niyo na yan din sa IG post ko. Yan. Moving on, this off-white. This is a gift from Teacher Giselle and Kuya Angel. So we use this pang sayaw. Masarap din siya sa paa, malambot. Pero medyo ako dito pag naglalakad yung mga spikes niya. But overall, it's a cute shoes. So next is this corner, the Puma collection. Oh, Puma collection naman, kala mo dami. So this is a Puma Fenty. I got this way back 2017, mga ganun, 2016. I think 5 years ago. Hinaan ko pa to sa Dubai. I remember kung saan kami nagpuntang store para lang makita at mahanap tong shoes na to. And then, when I finally got it, yan. I bought also a black one, pero mas mababa dito. Ito yung high cut niya. This is so comfy. Sobrang gaan niya. Malambot rin siya sa paa. Sobrang flexible. Kaya naman, masarap siya sa paa. Kaya, ang dami na rin kinita nito sa mga sayaw, mga OOTD ko. Yan. Pero hindi ko rin siya nagagamit eh. Tagal na rin. Next is this one. So, eto, sobrang bigat. I bought this, I think, in Hong Kong. Yan. What I like about this is the strap. It's so nice kasi low cut tas may strap. Pero hindi ko ito nire-recommend for long walks or long day kasi sobrang sakit niya sa paa dahil ang tigas niya. And nilalagyan ko din siya ng high socks kasi blister sa ankle dahil nga medyo stiff, matigas. But this is so neutral I use this sa mga OOTD ko din kapag mga ganda-ganda lang, wala masyadong ganap, tayo-tayo lang. Yan, doon ko lang siya talaga ginagamit. Pero pag mga long walk, hindi advisable. Bigat eh. Saka masakit ang tigas. Beauty over substance. Woo! Next is this one. I bought this just because of the color and this cute little ribbon. Little? Hindi mo to little. Yan. Tagal na rin. Hindi ko na rin siya nasusuot, pero what I like about this is it's so young and girly. Hindi na tatanong pag girl talaga ako. Yan. Next is eto. As we go, I bought this because it's orange. It's loud. Cute. Nag-reflect din siya. Reflectorize. And nakikita nyo to madalas sa mga dance classes ko, sa mga OOTD ko. Kasi sobrang comfy niya. Masarap siya sa paa. And loud siya. Pag malayo pa lang, alam mo na, kita mo na. Kasi shouting yung orange. Another one is this, the NMD. So this is a gift. Gift lang ito sa akin ng birthday ko. Tagal na. One of my students. Yan. Cute siya because of the color. I like it. Parang turquoise na parang Tiffany blue. It's nice though. Yan. Hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Yan. Kasi ako, pag may bago akong shoes, parang yun lang yung lagi kong ginagamit pag bago. This one also, a Stan Smith. Pink. I like that because it's cloth. Yan. Medyo complicated kasi yung paa ko. Complicated. Dahil may bunion ako. So, sometimes, I'm going for comfort din naman. Next is this EQT. This one, binili ko lang siya kasi gusto ko ng black. Dahil hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa black. And wala akong masyadong shoes na black. So, yung ano lang, training, pang running. Woo! Next is, ano pa ba? Ito, Timberland. Very New Yorker. Ito is ginamit ko sa GeForce din. Pag nagsasayaw kami, dati pinang-costume din namin. Plus, minsan pag gusto ko maging boyish. Ginagamit ko. Pero, rarely ko lang siya gamitin kasi sobrang bigat. Next is this Fila Oakmont. This is actually a men's shoes. But I got this because of yung mga spikes niya. Yung color niya, yung design niya. And the shoes naman is just mga pang ano ko lang. Pang dance class. Ito, I bought this kasi army green. And pang costume ko lang din sa GeForce kasi yung class color ko is army green. So, I need to have at least one shoes na army green para pang match sa mga costumes ko. And then, on this corner, mga white shoes lang. This, maraming nagtatanong kung anong shoes to and anong brand. This is a Bershka shoes platform. Sobrang worth it to. I bought this sa Rome, nung nag-ASAP Rome kami. And, ang saya kasi, added height because of the platform. Plus, it's so comfy and ang gaan. Mukha siyang mabigat, pero gaan lang talaga siya. And I can just partner it sa lahat ng mga outfits. Kasi it's white. It's so neutral. I just wear some neon socks or high socks na white para mas mukha pang mas high cut. And I can just wear them all the time. Sa lahat ng mga OOTD ko and mga dance production na ginagawa ko, mostly, ito yung ginagamit ko. Next is this Fila, this Raptor Wedge. So this I got in New York. Pero meron na rin yan dito eh. Meron na din yan sa Manila. This I don't recommend for dancing kasi sobrang bigat niya. Ang bigat niya talaga. Compare dun sa Bershka ko. Ito, I brought this sa ASAP Rome and medyo nagsisi ako kasi haba ng nilakad namin. At ang bigat-bigat niya. So, parang additional weight siya sa akin. Next is this Adidas Superstar. Ito, madalas niyo itong makita sa OOTD ko. Kasi, sobrang neutral niya. Sobrang madali lang siyang partneran. This one is Air Force. Nike Air Force. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi yung color niya. Parang bumaboundary ng pink na parang may pagka-old rose. Yan. And the zipper. So, mas madali siyang suotin. Yan. Okay, now, it's time for the main event. Kung bakit tayo nag-vlog ngayon. Because, it's time for some unboxing! Yay! Woo! Oh my God! And I'm so happy to be sharing with you my happiness to unbox this beauty. So, this came all the way from New York, Stadium Goods. So, let's see. Are you ready? Oh my God, kinikilig ako. Okay. Ta-da! So, I guess you have an idea na what this shoes is. This is a Lady May collaboration with Jordan, with Nike. So, this designer is, I'm proud to say that she's half Filipino. Filipina, my God! So, di ba nakaka-proud naman, and ang sarap sa feeling na magkaroon ka din ng ganito shoes because I'm proud of her as a Filipino. Wow! Oh my God! Ta-da! Oh my God! Look at that beauty! Look at that! It's so nice! You know what's nice about the shoes? Is the colorways. It's green, blue, and look at the sole. Tcharan! Yellow! So, sa lahat ng nakakilala sa akin, alam nila na I'm really, really into colors. I love colors. And what I like about this is the lace, spare laces. There's green, yellow, cream, and blue. And look at this. Yung lace niya, may gold. Diba? Ang ganda. And look at the details of this. This portion, matigas. And it's satin. This one is a leather. What's nice about this is meron siyang initial. Oh, ganda diba? Plus, this one. Meron siyang name at the back. Diba? Nakaka-proud. Parang kung ako to, parang pangarap din natin magkaroon ng sarili nating shoes na design natin and your name is on it. Look at this detail. So nice. And I really love the detail, the colorways. So, I'm really excited to use this and pair it with my outfit and ipakita sa inyo soon yung OOTD ko for this one. Yan. I love it. Thank you so much, Stadium Goods. And also, thank you guys for watching at sinamahan nyo ako mag-unbox today ng aking new shoes. So, again, thank you so much and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and abangan niyo pa yung mga next vlogs ko. Thank you so much, guys! Bye!